auto IT today. Okay, this is the concepts which we are going to do today. Today we'll do data driven. Okay, today we will do data driven. Okay, and parallel execution and auto IT will do. Yes, yes. Okay, that's what you asked. Everybody in my doubt clarification session, what you asked yesterday. We want parallel execution. We want parallel execution in Excel. This is what you guys asked for. Correct? This is what you asked for in yesterday doubt clarification session. Yes or no? Okay, so that is what I'm going to explain it to you right now. I'll not be starting the framework, but I'll be starting the framework tomorrow. But link, okay, I have asked them to create. They have not created, they've forgotten. Okay, so they'll create a link. I'll post that link today itself in the group. Okay, today only I'll ask them to give a link and we will post that in a group. I'll post it today itself so you can start it from tomorrow. Okay, so that's the reason I just pinged you at 7 o'clock only. So join the old link. So let's do once the parallel execution and we'll go. Okay, now look at my screen, guys. Parallel execution. Look at my screen, guys. Very simple. Nothing is there. Okay, very simple. Nothing is there. I'll just copy. See, just create one class. Observe carefully. I'll not be doing again and again. Okay, so look at my screen here. Just create one class. Annotation test. Public void demo. Public void sample. One name of a method. Let me import this annotation test. Let me import this annotation test. Now let me pass one parameter. Let me pass one parameter. String name. I'll just pass one parameter. If name is equals to Chrome, let me declare WebDriver globally. This you already know. Let me declare WebDriver globally. Public WebDriver driver. Okay. Driver equals to new Chrome driver. Else driver equals to new Firefox driver. Okay, now write the program. After launching the browser, I need to maximize driver.manage.window.maximize. Driver.get the same old story. We will write and go. Okay, same old story. Oh, enter maximize, enter the URL, enter username, password, click on login. Okay, same old story. We will write and go. So everybody understood till here? Everybody understood till here? Everybody know till here? Everybody understood till here? Okay, now. This is clear? Why you took parameterized method means I want that variable to use, whether it is Chrome or Firefox, because I'm using both. Whether I'm using both. If you don't use both, you can just write driver is equals to Chrome driver. I'm using both in my scenario. Finished? Finished? Understood till here? Now with the help of parameterization. With the help of parameters. With the help of parameters. Okay, so with the help of parameters, here parameters is an annotation. As a name tells, you know methods with parameter, correct, right? As a name tell, we need to pass the parameter. As a name tell, we need to pass the parameter. Let me pass the parameter. So what is the name of it? Let me tell it as it is a browser. Anything you can just pass. It's just a name. It's just a parameter name. So let me give it as browser. Okay, this is clear till here? Is it clear? Everybody is clear? Now, when we use this annotation parameter, you cannot run this class. You cannot run this. See, if I run this, I'll get testng exception. You should never run this class. See, I got that exception. It will not work. See, testng exception. It will not execute. Remember. So whenever I'm using annotation parameter, you should not run this class. You should not run this class. If you run this class, you will get what? Testng exception. You will get what? Testng exceptions. Okay. I need to convert this class into testing.xml file. What I need to do? I need to convert this class into testing.xml file. And to convert this class into testing.xml file. I need to convert into testing.xml file. So how to convert? Right click testng, convert to testng. So convert this class into what? Testng.xml file. So this is the suite we will get. How to write this? This is also very easy. Nothing is there. So this is called as your schema. What is this? This is called as the schema. Okay. This is called as a suite. What is this? This is called as the one complete suite. Okay. Suite means what? It is nothing but it's where it can hold number of test groups. Okay. What means that? Where it can hold number of test groups. That's the meaning of it. So this is the a schema. This is a schema and this is the suite. Okay. Now this is one called as one test block. This is a block for us. This is important. This is one test block. Okay. So here thread count is equals to 5. What is thread count here? Where you can thread means what? Operation. Thread means what? Operation. Where you can perform 5 operations at a time. Okay, where you can perform 5 operations at a time. That's the meaning of thread count. Understanding? Understanding? Yes. Okay, so this is automatically written. Don't worry about this. It's not required for us. It's just a template or it's called schema. Don't worry about line number 1 and line number 2. Okay, yes, this will be by default created. Till here it will be created default. Okay, now line number 1 and line number 2 is called a schema. Schema is nothing but template. This will be created automatically. So don't need to do anything. Okay, so this is called as operation. Okay, thread means operation. So thread is equals to 5 means you can perform 5 operations at a time. You can perform more than that? No. 5 is a maximum limit and don't change anything here. Don't make it to 2, 3, nothing. 5 is a maximum count. Okay, that means we can parallelly run in 5 browsers. What does it mean? We can parallelly execute this program in 5 browsers. That's the meaning of it. Are you understanding? You can parallelly execute this program in 5 browsers. That's the meaning of it. Okay, now inside this text block, what you have to do? You have to use a tag called parameter. parameter. This parameter is a tag which accepts two things. One is name, one is value. One is name, one is value. Whatever name you have given here, you have to give the same name. If you are given your name also, you should give your also same name. You have to give the same name. You have to give the same name. Now look at my screen. Where is it? You have to give the same name. Why we have to give the same name? Because we are building the relationship between testng class and testng.xml file. We're building the relationship between testng class and testng.xml file. So since we are building the relationship, so we have to pass it as the name of it. Are you understanding? Thread count, don't change anything. Don't do any changes there. What is required, please learn. Don't do any changes in the thread count. So value, I'll give it as Chrome. Value, I'll give it as Chrome. Okay, now I want to run the class. I want to run the class. So let me name it as classes. Let me make it as classes. Class name is equals to, you have to give the fully qualified path. Fully qualified path, that is package name dot class name. I have to give the package name dot class name. What is the package name? That is testng dot. What is my class name? The class name is demo. What is my class name? The class name is demo. Understanding? You have to give the class which you wanted to execute. That's all, guys. That's all. So only this much code is there. Okay. Copy paste same thing. The test blocks. Package name should be same. Whether you have written the small letter, capital letter, whatever letter you are written when you are creating a package, it should see the same name. Okay, whatever you have created. And the class name as it is. Okay, so this let me copy. Let me copy paste it. Let me copy paste it. Let me give it as test case number 1. Let me give it as test case number 2. Let me give it as the names and run the program. And here you have to specify it as parallel is equals to test. Means parallelly run the test block. Oh, sorry. Parallelly run the test. So now 3 Chrome browsers will open. Right click, run as test engine. See here now? It's okay. If you don't want Firefox, don't use Firefox. If you want Chrome only, you can do. See? 1, 2, and 3. 3 Firefox browsers are launched parallelly. Execute. If you have Firefox, you can do it Firefox as well. Got to know? Got to know? Let me come back to your Excel. People told explain Excel sheet. This is the main issue. Yes, you can save more than one XML file. You can save more than XML. For example, I wanted to create one more XML file. Let's assume, okay, I want to create. Right click, testng, convert to testng. This is my new Excel file. Change the name here. Change the name. So this is already there, testng.xml file. So in that, you change the name. You can change, sorry. You can change the name. I wanted to keep it as demo.xml file. Change the name here. Click on finish. So I can have 2 XML file here. One is demo.xml file, one is testng.xml file. You can change the names and you can store it. Understood? So you can have more than one. You can have more than one. If you wanted to run in Firefox, you have to add a driver executable of Firefox. Then only you should change it as Firefox. If you don't have driver executable for Firefox browser, then you cannot run it in Firefox. Please write the test case which has all the locators you have thought are tilted. But why are you using testng? Hold on, Vikrant. Have patience. Today's not last class. Hold on. Have patience little bit. We will do it. No. You can, if you want, you can overwrite. If you don't want, you can create a new one. And I have taught you how to create a new one. If you want, you do it. Or if you want to keep it separately, you maintain separately by changing the name. That's all. Always you'll get new one. Okay, now look at yours, guys. Everybody look at here. See, Maven, sorry, Excel sheet in the real time, what we do is a different process. Okay, Excel sheet, what we do it in the real time, that's a different process. Okay, so we will do it. Maybe if time is there today only, we will do the structure and we will keep it. If time is there, I'll start up with the framework today only. We will do the structure and we'll keep it. Okay. Okay, so if time is there, I will do it today only. I'll explain it you guys today only. Okay, so only for time being, I asked you to download from the, what is this? Download from the what is that? GitHub. I asked you to download from the GitHub and do it. That's only for time being. But the real time way we do, that's an entirely different process, which I'm going to explain it today or tomorrow. We are going to start with that. Are you understanding? Are you understand? Program it is same. It is very easy. Nothing is there. Create an object for file input stream. Pass the path. Workbook factory dot create and get sheet, get cell. Okay, and do it. Are you understanding? Your font color, we cannot change it. It's a default font color. Your nothing cannot be changed. Got it? So it's the same program. If you have not installed that Apache POI properly, it will not work. Anyways, if time is there today, I will teach you the Maven project. You guys can work on Excel. 100% it will work. Okay, but I'll tell you how do you add that. Okay, if it is not working, okay, so do it using a Maven project. The program is same. If it is not working, let's do it using a Maven project. Fine. Can we continue? Parameter name and this class should be different. It should be same. Please concentrate when I'm talking. It should be same. That's the reason you're building the connection. You're establishing the connection between those two classes. Okay. So let's do auto IT. Let's do auto IT. And if time is there, I'll start 8 o'clock the framework. I'll start the framework at 8 o'clock. And we will do the structure and keep. We'll do the structure and keep. Okay, we will do structure and we will keep. We will do structure and I'll give you the different link tomorrow. But I want to do the structure. Okay. Okay, listen, okay? Everybody listen. No. If you do that properly, you will not get how to read see guys, so many people asking how to read the numerical data from Excel sheet. It's very simple, okay? See, but we are using a method called as get string cell value. Okay, so first here what we are doing, get sheet string cell value. Chandan, what are you speaking? First show here once again Excel sheet here. Excel sheet is already taught. If you're sleeping, I'm so sorry. Look here everyone. This is an Excel sheet, correct, right? They're using a method. We're using what type of method? Get the string cell value. Means get me the string which is present in that Excel sheet. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Get me the string cell value. Means get me the string which is present in that cell value. But when I write number, this number is not a string, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? So this is not a string. So if you want to read a number from the Excel sheet, start with the double quotes. Start with a single quote, sorry. Start with a single quote and write the number. So this will get automatically converted in the form of string. So this will get automatically converted in the form of string. Are you understanding? I'll repeat again. Use with a single code. Use single code. Okay. Use the single code. Use single code and write the numbers. So this will become like a string. It will become a string. Are you understanding? So that you need to read it. That you need to read it. Same way. Date also it is in the same way. That also you can do it, but directly you can do it. No, but you write so much of code here. Directly you can convert it. So anybody storing a number, use a single quote in the beginning. Don't end with it. Just beginning numbers. Numbers. Got it. Got it. Okay. Next. Yes. Now I want to edit my Excel sheet. If you wanted to edit your Excel sheet, the process is first you have to go delete the existing one. Okay. So what you need to do? First you need to go and delete the existing one. Where is it? Okay. First you should go delete the existing one. You cannot click on it and you cannot modify. That will not get reflected here. First, you should go delete the existing one. Then you have to modify. You have to go click the and you have to modify. Are you understanding? Got it? Clear? Okay. So listen here. One, you should never open the Excel sheet in the Eclipse. You should listen here. You should never open your Excel sheet here. Okay. You should never open the Excel sheet here at all. You should always open the Excel sheet and you have to modify there. Are you understanding? You should never do that here. Okay. Next. Okay. Can I start with the introduction to your project? Can I start with the introduction to the project? Can I start with the introduction of the project? Guys, here. I'll just tell you the complete agenda, what is the plan, everything. Okay. One second. One second. Let me connect to my writing pad. 1 minute. I'll just tell you the agenda, everything. Now look at my screen. Copy paste. How to copy paste means copy and paste it. Control A, Control C, Control B. Look here. I'll tell you the agenda. I'll just tell you the agenda. No, it should be always row number and column number. One second. I'll tell you the plan. Okay. This is the agenda. Look at my screen, everyone. I'll start with the framework structure today. I will not do anything. I'll just give you the introduction about the framework. I'll start up with the structure today. Okay. Today is what day? Friday. Correct, right? Today we will do the structure of the framework. I'll explain what is framework. All the structure we will do. Tomorrow, Saturday, we will be doing about designing of the framework. Designing of the framework. So Monday, we will talk about implementation plus execution. Okay. Again, Tuesday, we will talk about implementation plus execution. Okay. Wednesday, we'll talk about GitHub and Jenkins. GitHub and Jenkins. Thursday, I'm going to explain you about auto IT and okay, and we will have a revision, complete revision. Okay, then Friday, Saturday will be your final mock. Okay, this is the thing. Got it? So we are going to complete your portions by 31st Saturday. This is the plan. Okay? Is it okay? Time for preparation is given now. Start preparing this Saturday, Sunday, everything start preparing. This is the time. This is the time. No, ma'am, we want one day for doubt clarification session. We want it. We will do it on next week, someday. Okay? Monday or Tuesday. Okay, but from next year, I cannot take the class at 7 o'clock. If you wanted to clarify your doubt, you can join around 7:30 or 7:45, and we can clarify your doubt. Okay, so one day, one dedicated day will keep and will clarify your doubt as well. Already on Thursday, there is a doubt clarification. Revision is nothing but doubt clarification. Still, one more day you wanted, I will definitely give it to you. But class will not start at 7 o'clock. It will be starting at 7:45. Okay. Yes, mock is theory. Resume preparation, everything. Hold on, I know. We will do it. Have patience. We'll do it everything. API is not taught here. It is just a Selenium class. API will be taught in advanced Selenium class. API will not be taught here. This is clear? This is clear? Okay, super. Now look at my screen. Observe carefully. Listen carefully. Okay, look at my screen. Look at my screen. No, tomorrow class is 7 o'clock. Who told 7:45? Tomorrow class is 7 o'clock. Now look at my screen. Guys, listen here. Listen here. People who have a doubts. People who have a doubts. Tomorrow, you can connect me at 11 o'clock. People who are having a doubts. Tomorrow, you guys can connect me at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. to 12:30. Please connect with me between 11 a.m. to 12:30. So I will clarify your doubts. We'll share the screen. We'll clarify your doubts. Okay, we'll create a Google Meet link and we'll share your screen. But Google Meet cannot occupy everyone in the class. You have to join quickly, clarify your doubts, leave the class so such that somebody can join it. No, today we don't have any doubt clarification session. We are going to do it tomorrow at 11 o'clock. I don't want it to wait because see, everyone don't have doubts. And whatever doubts you have, I've already cleared. Only few people have doubts. So whoever is having a doubt, tomorrow I'm giving you 1.5 hours. Please join the Google Meet link and we will clarify your doubts. Okay, na? Look at my screen here. Look at my screen. Guys, observe carefully, listen carefully, and do it properly. Okay. All your doubts I'll clarify tomorrow. I'm going to take 1.5 hour to 2 hours classes tomorrow, and we are going to do it. But 7 to 9 I'm going to take you the subject. After that we are going to do this. After that only we are going to do this. Okay na? Okay. Look at my screen, everyone observe. This from the day one till today we all did Java project. Correct? From day one till today we did a Java project, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. But Java project has lot of drawbacks. Java project has lot of drawbacks. Let me explain you one by one. Okay? Java project has lot of drawbacks. Let me explain you guys one by one. So what are the drawbacks? First drawback. Now let's assume Selenium server. So what is the version of Selenium server we are using? 3.141. Sorry, we are using 4, version 4. Correct, right? Is this version is constant or it is changing? Now look at my screen, guys. Look at my screen. Guys, everybody listen. I am going to clarify all your doubts. Okay? I'm going to clarify. See, guys, why am I not taking this class? Because in my class, let's assume 100 people are there. Only 20 people are having doubt. 80 people don't have doubt. So in my regular class, that is between 7 to 9, if I start clarifying your doubt, okay, remaining 80 people will not have questions. They'll be keeping quiet. It's a waste of time for them. Okay, it's a waste of time for them. Okay, so we will connect separately and we will clarify your doubt. This is my plan. Are you understanding? We'll connect separately. Okay, I'm not telling I'll not clarify. We'll connect separately and clarify your doubt. So tomorrow I'm free. Okay, so between 11 to 12:30, you people connected via Google Meet link and let me clarify your doubts tomorrow after the class. So 7 to 9, listen here, 7 to 9 I'll take the regular class. Okay, and 11 to 12:30 will clarify your doubts. I'll give you, yes, Google Meet has a limit. Correct, right? So everybody will join the Google Meet link. Once your doubt is clarified, one person will get removed. It will go away. Again, you can join. Again, you can join. You can do that. Okay, but because in here there is no option of screen share. Without screen sharing, I cannot do. And you people told no, we wanted some extra concept. That is also I'm going to do it. So once after completion of framework, I will take 1 or 2 classes extra, and whatever you guys are asking for, that also I will do it. Somebody asked auto IT, somebody asked XPath by Access, all the things I will do it. Okay, first we will finish it our portions. Whatever the Selenium portions is there, no, let me finish it. Why am I not teaching auto IT or XPath X-Access? Because first let's finish the portions and let me give you the interviews. Okay, then slowly we will do that things. Got it? Vikrant, can't you read this? Can't you read this? Am I taking extra class before mock? I hope you can read this. Correct? Okay? This is clear, guys? Clear? Can we start? Can we start? Well, can we continue? Yes. No, look here. So guys, let's assume we are using the Selenium version 4. Okay, we are using the Selenium version is 4. Now the version of 4, is it constant or it keeps changing? This is constant or it keeps changing? It keeps changing. Now it is 4, tomorrow it is 5, day after tomorrow it is 6. This is not constant. It keeps changing. Now tell me, whenever it keeps changing, is it possible for you? Okay, let me open the browser, download Selenium server. Okay, copy paste it, and put it in this. Is it possible to do this? Open the browser, download, copy paste it, and add it to the build path. Yes, you can do it because it hardly takes some 2 minutes. It takes a minute, correct? It hardly takes 1 or 2 minutes. Fine. One time is fine. Tomorrow it get changed to 5.0. Tomorrow it get changed. It's okay. You can ask, hey, it hardly takes 2 minutes. I will do it. Fine, you do it. Now, what about your Apache Poi? What about your Apache Poi? Apache Poi has 20 jar files. Apache Poi has how many? Apache Poi has 20 jar files. So all the 20 jar files, will you copy paste it, download and copy paste it again? Will you download, copy paste it again? Will you download and copy paste? No, it's a difficult task. Correct, right? So this is again, it's a manual process. It is a manual process. Everybody agrees? See, one jar, okay, fine, hardly takes one. So what about 20 jar files? What about 20 jar files? We have to copy paste it manual. So this is one drawback. This is one drawback. Next, second drawback. Guys, whenever your Chrome browser updates, you should go add the driver executables. Yes or no? And you have faced it, so many of you got session not created exception. Yes or no? Okay, and what is it? Session not created exception, and your Chrome browser keeps updating, and you have to go and manually add the driver executable. You have to go and manually add the driver executable for the Chrome. This is a drawback. You have faced it. Next. From the day one till today, my project structure, my concepts and your concept both are same. You're learning. But tell me, your project structure and my project structure, is it same? Is my project structure and your project structure, is it same? No. Correct, right? I am using different package name. You are using different package name. I am using different class name. You guys are using different class name. So you don't have a proper standard structure. Correct, right? We guys don't have a proper standard structure. Yes or no? Yes or no? We don't have a proper standard structure. Now, if any newcomers, any new person joins, okay, any new person joins the industry, I have to give them a knowledge transfer. I have to give them a KT. Correct? No, it is not user defined. We're all working for the same project. How can you use? We're all working for the same project, guys. Let's assume we're all automating Flipkart application. Can I have a different project structures? And can you have a different project structures? That is how you write manual test cases. In an organization, one person will follow one template. Is it a default? Think before you talk. Okay. Now, KT. You have to give a KT. You have to give the KT. Correct, right? So when you want to give a KT, you have to tell them what to download, which version to download. Everything we have to tell them. Isn't it? What to download, okay, what to update, where to download, which version to download. Everything you have to tell them. Yes or no? Yes or no? Correct. So once you are giving a KT, you should be very careful. Okay. So we have to tell him where to download. It's a time based. Time based. Okay. So these are all what drawbacks of Java project. What are this? These are all the drawbacks of Java project. In the real time, we will never use Java project. In the real time, we will never use Java project because you understood what is drawback. You always go with Maven project. You always go with Maven project in order to overcome all these drawbacks. Okay, we always go with what? Maven project. You always go with what? Maven project. Are you understanding? Sakshi, that I'll tell you. Okay, understood? Now make a heading Maven project and make heading steps to create Maven project. 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 Finish writing? Yes, you need to write this. Okay, now look at my screen. Step number 1. Look at my screen properly and make a note. Step number 1. Step number 1. Open Eclipse. 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 Open Eclipse. Click on File, New, Project. 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 File, look at my screen, make a note in your notebook. File, New, Project. Expand Maven folder. Expand Maven folder. Expand Maven folder. Expand Maven folder. Select the option as Maven project. Select the option as Maven project. Select the option as Maven project. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Now, select the checkbox. Create a simple project. Select the checkbox. Select the checkbox. Create simple project. Select the checkbox. Look at my screen. I will not be again and doing it again. Select the checkbox. Select the checkbox. Select the checkbox. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. Group ID indicates. Make a note. Group ID indicates. 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 Group ID indicates it is a organization name. It's a organization name. Okay. Group ID indicates organization name. One company name. You have to give the organization name, a company name. So let me give it as uh, Infosys. Some company name. Group ID indicates company name. Artifact ID indicates the project name. Anything you want to give it. Artifact indicates project name. Okay, so I'll tell it that it's an e-commerce skill library. Okay, so artifact indicates a project name and it's a company name. It's a company name. The company name, one is company name, one is project name. So this is your project name and this is your company name. Okay, click on finish. Click on finish. Are you able to see? Are you able to see one project got created? So MJ indicates that MJ means Maven Java project. MJ indicates Maven Java project. See, is it providing the inbuilt structure? Is it providing the inbuilt structure? So you don't need to go and create anything. You don't need to go and create anything. It is always giving you inbuilt project structure. It's already given you inbuilt project structure. Okay, so please make a note. Create a project structure. After checkbox, select the checkbox, click on next. Write the group ID, artifact ID. Group ID means it's a company name. Artifact ID means project name. Click on finish. Okay, everybody create a Maven project. Done? Done? Everybody created? Everybody got the same structure? Everybody. So since we are all working for the same project, our structure should be same. A structure should be same. Everybody created? Now. Can you see this form.xml file? Can you see this form.xml file? Okay. Click on form.xml file. Click on form.xml file. Okay. Form.xml means what? It is a project object model. It is not page object model. It is project object model. XML stands for extensible markup language. XML stands for extensible markup language. Are you understanding? What is XML stands for? XML stands for extensible markup language. Understood? XML stands for what? Extensible markup language. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now, here we have to be very careful. So before this, let's make a heading. Softwares required. Make a heading, everyone. Software required. Where is that? Software. Ankita, hold on, Ankita. Please don't keep repeating. I have seen it. Have patience. Softwares required. So what are the softwares we wanted? Selenium, Server, TestNG, Apache, Poi, Apache, Commons.io, then WebDriver Manager. WebDriver Manager, this will take care of your driver executables. This will take care of your driver executables. Are you understanding? Who will take care of driver executables? This will take care of your driver executables. Clear? Finish making a note. Finish writing. Finished? Now look at my screen, everyone. Look at my screen, everyone. I was just looking into WhatsApp group. Some people are facing issue, right? Some people are facing issue while creating this. So create a moment. Just click on OK, whatever the pop-ups you're getting. No, just click OK on everything. Now right click on your project. Just click OK. Right click, Maven, update project. Right click, Maven, update project. Right click, Maven, right click, Maven, right click, Maven, update project. Select this. Force update or snapshot releases. Select force update or snapshot releases and click on OK. Select force update and snapshot releases and click on OK. Okay. Select force update and snapshot releases and click on OK. Okay. So whoever is facing that problem, it will automatically get resolved. Okay. Whoever is facing an issue, that problem will get resolved. Understood? Understood? Okay. And people, if anybody is using the older version of Eclipse, 100% it will not work. Okay. If anybody in my class, people who are working the older version, it will 100% it will not work. Okay. People, anybody using this, 100 work, it will not work. Understanding? Clear? Clear? Okay. So over, if we are having a older version of Eclipse, it will not work. I told you that day only. From test engine, nothing will work. Okay. And if you're facing an issue, what to debug also I've told you. Okay. Now make a heading. Now make a heading. Steps to add Selenium server to the project. Steps to add Selenium server to the project. Steps to add Selenium server to the project. So before that, you should write dependencies. Okay, you should write what's the use of this dependencies? I'll tell you. First, you need to write the dependencies. Look at my screen. After line number 5, below line number 13, look at my screen properly. If error is there, this complete file is waste. Below the version, above project, write it as dependencies. Write it as dependencies. Write it as dependencies. Shubham, I just told you what to do it if you get that error. Concentrate here. Don't simply take pictures and keep posting. I've told you if errors are there, how do you resolve it? Okay. Everybody written this? Everybody written this? Everybody written this? Everybody written this? Okay, now make a note of the step. Open the browser, make heading steps to add Selenium server to the project. 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 Open browser, type Maven repository. Open browser, type Maven. Look at my screen, I'll not be repeating again and again. Open the browser, type Maven repository. Open the browser, type Maven repository. Open the browser, type Maven repository. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Open the browser, type Maven repository. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Type Selenium server. 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 Click on search. Type Selenium server. Click on search. Type Selenium server. Click on search. Click on the first link. On the first link. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Select the version 3.141.59. Select the version 3.141.59. Select the version 3.141.59. Select the version 3.1.49. Select the version 3.141.59. Copy the dependencies. Look at here. Copy the dependency. Copy the dependency. Copy the dependency and paste it between dependencies. And paste it between dependencies. Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Okay, do this. Everybody had it. Neatly look at your steps and do it. Add it, everyone. Done? Done? Okay, super. Next, make heading steps to add TestNG to the project. Next, make a note steps to add TestNG to the project. 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 Step number one. Step number one. Open the browser. Open the browser. Type Maven repository. Open the browser. Type Maven repository. Click on the first link. Open the browser. Type Maven repository. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Type testng. Type testng. Type testng. Type testng. Type testng. Type testng. And click on search. Click on type testng. Click on search. Type testng. Click on search. Click on the first link. 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 Select the version. Select the version 7.4.0. Select the version 7.4.0. Select the version. You can ask me a question. On what basis are you selecting this? You can ask me a question, okay? So it depends on the usage. Look at the usage. Usage. So I'll go with 7.4.0. The more people on the more people have used 7.4.0. 7.4.0. Copy, copy, paste it. Copy, paste it. Okay, so everybody add it. Done? Done? Super. Next, make a heading. Steps to add Apache. Steps to add. Steps to add Apache. Apache commons.io to the project. Steps to dot Apache commons.io to the project. Steps to add Apache commons.io to the project. Open Maven repository. You know how to open? So open Maven repository. Type Apache commons.io. Type Apache commons.io. Type Apache commons.io. Click on finish. Type Apache commons.io. Click on finish. Type Apache commons.io. Click on finish. Look at the spelling, okay? Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Select the version. Select the version 2.11.0. Select the version 2.11.0. Select the version 2.11.0 and copy paste the dependency. Select the version 2.11.0, copy paste the version. Do it. Completed? Have you all completed? Next, make a note. Steps to add. Steps to add. Apache. Steps to add. Apache point to the project. See how, so this is how we are going to add it in the real time. How did I show? That is not the way. Okay. So make a note. Steps to add Apache point to the project. Steps to add Apache point to the project. Open Maven repository. Type Apache POI. Open Maven repository. Open Maven repository. Type Apache POI. Open Maven repository. Type Apache POI. Type Open Maven repository. Type Apache POI. Click on search. Click on search. Click on the first one. Click on the first one. Click on the first one. Select the version 5.2.2. Select the version 5.2.2. Select the version 5.2.2. Select the version 5.2.2. Copy paste the dependency. Copy paste the dependency. Select the version 5.2.2. Copy paste the dependency. Everybody do it. Finished? Next. Steps to add WebDriver Manager to the project. Steps to add WebDriver Manager to the project. Steps to add WebDriver Manager to the project. Okay. Type Open Maven repository. Type WebDriver Manager. Open the browser. Open the Maven repository. Type WebDriver Manager. Open Maven repository. Type WebDriver Manager. Type Open Maven repository. Type. Look at this type. Look at the spelling. Everything should be in a smaller case. And this is a cat symbol. This is a cat symbol. Okay. Click on this WebDriver Manager. Click on this WebDriver Manager. Select the version 5.3.0. Select the version 5.3.0. Copy paste the dependency. Copy paste the dependency. Do it. 5.3.0. Here only the version is there. Please look here. 5.3.0. Done. Now everybody save this file. Control yes. Everybody save this file. Control yes. When you save this file, you will get an option called Maven dependency. Control yes. Save this file. Everybody will get an option called Maven dependency. Everybody will get an option called save this file. You should get Maven dependency. Save it. Done. 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 Okay. Now let me explain you what is a use of WebDriver Manager. Very simple. Open this. Type WebDriver Manager. All should be in a smaller case. All should be in the smaller case. WebDriver Manager. Look at the spelling. There should no spaces, nothing. It should be one word. Type WebDriver Manager. WebDriver Manager. It's one word. You'll get this. It's a cat symbol. Look at the spelling. You'll definitely get it. Look at the spelling. I will. WebDriver Manager. All should be typed in a smaller case. There should be no spaces, nothing. Okay. Got it? Now, look at my screen, guys. What now? Now, tell me, if you didn't get Maven dependency, right click, same process. Any error in Maven project, it's the same process. Right click, Maven, update project, okay. Force update or snapshot releases, click on OK. Okay. Now tell me, guys, did we download any of the jar files? Did we download any jar files here? No. Automatically all the jars has been downloaded and it has been added to the build path. Look at my screen. All the jar files has been added automatically and it has been added to the build path automatically. Are you able to see this? Now suddenly the customer wants me to change the version. Suddenly the customer wants me to change the version. Okay. So don't need to go download install. See here, 7.4.0 is a TestNG version. Okay, 7.4.0 is the TestNG version. Look at my screen, everyone. 7.4.0 is a TestNG version. We have downloaded, we have added to the build path. Correct, right? Now, the customer will ask me to change to 7.1.0. I will just change it, I'll just save it. I'll just change it, I'll just save it. See here, 7.1.0 is automatically added. It is added to the build path. So we are avoiding the manual interventions. Are you understanding? Now again, I want to change it. 7.4.0. Change it, save it. Automatically the version 7.4.0 will be downloaded and it will be added to the build path. Okay, that's the first advantage. If the versions are changed, automatically you can change it here. It is giving you the inbuilt project structure. It is giving you inbuilt project structure. Are you understanding? So any newcomers comes into picture, I'll just give this file to him. Hey, take this file, put it inside your project and start working. Any new person comes, take this file, add it to your project and start working. Are you understanding? I will not ask him to sit and download, install anything. I'll just give it to him. He'll just download it. Got it, everyone? Clear? Yes, that's all. structure is ready, tomorrow onwards we'll start. This is how the real time the structure they are going to create. This is how real time the structure will be created. Understood, everyone? Is it easy? Is it clear? Ankita, are you there? Okay, tomorrow plan 7 to 9 o'clock. I'm going to start with the designing of the project. 7 to 9, I'm going to start with the designing of the project. 11 o'clock, we are going to start with your doubt clarification session. 11 to 12:30, link I'll give it to you. Today I'll give the link, okay? 7 to 9 will be a project class. Link will be given in the group. And 11 to 12:30 will be your doubt clarification session. That is your tomorrow's plan. Everybody's clear? Everybody's clear? Let me finish the framework. Then I will give you extra classes, doubt clarification. I'll give you to you. Okay. First, let me finish the framework. Then I'll explain you everything. We'll go very slowly. We'll understand in detail. Let's finish the framework first. Okay, why am I wanted to finish the framework first, such that other people who are understanding, they can try for the job, because this is very important. They can starting searching for the job. Later on we'll take some 1 or 2 classes, and let me clarify your questions. I don't want to waste time right now, such that others also, I'm just holding them without finishing the portions. That is only the one reason. I'll finish such that other people can start applying for their jobs. And we will do the doubt clarification also slowly. And tomorrow 11 to 12:30. Anyway, I know for everyone it is a week off. Okay, everybody can join this thing, and we'll clarify your questions. Okay, now. Yes, no, tomorrow class will be in the tomorrow class will be in the new link. Tomorrow the class will be in the new link. Okay. Tomorrow the class will be in the new link. Tomorrow the class will be in the new link. I'm going to post that link in the group. I'm going to post that link in the group by today, end of the day, you'll get that link. Okay, now, and your doubt clarification Google Meet link, I'll post it tomorrow. For your Google Meet link for your doubt clarification session. Is Ankita is there? No, Maven project will not be pushed till Wednesday. After completion only you'll get this Maven project. You will not get till now. Till completion, you will not get the Maven project. Okay. Yes, Ankita, are you there? Yes. Look at this. Whoever lost the connectivity, I'm teaching how to do the Maven project again. You have to click on file. Do it along with me. Ankita, do it along with me. Click on file, new project. Click on file, new project. Select expand the Maven folder. Expand the Maven folder. Select Maven project. Expand the Maven folder. And click on Maven project. Click on next. Select this checkbox, create a simple project. Select the checkbox, create a simple project. Select the checkbox, create a simple project. Click on next. Group ID means company name. You can give any company name, your wish. You can give one company name. Artifact ID means project name. Artifact ID means project name. Click on finish. That's all. Got it? That's all. Click on finish. You'll get the project. Understood, Ankita? Fine. I'll repeat again. Tomorrow class will be from 7 to 9 o'clock. I'm going to teach you the framework designing here. First thing. Second thing, 11 to 12:30 will be your doubt clarification. For that, link will be posted in the group. Everything will be posted in the group. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Let's catch up tomorrow 7 o'clock. Let's continue. I'll repeat again. First, I'm going to complete the framework. Tomorrow, there is a doubt clarification session at 1 second. Okay. Tomorrow there is a doubt clarification session 11 to 12:30. Okay, so again, no, okay, we wanted a doubt clarification session after completion of the framework. I will again tomorrow. I'm giving you almost 1.5 hour to 2 hours of doubt clarification session. After completion of the framework, again I'll give you 2 hours of doubt clarification session. Okay, so my intention, I hope everybody is clear with my intention. Okay, so let me finish. Whoever is understanding, let them go out. Whoever is having a doubt, I will sit and clarify. Let me sit and clarify your questions. Are you understanding? We will do everything. And you also asked for auto IT. I will do it for that as well. And next part for that also I'll do. We'll do slowly. First, let me finish off the frame. Okay, this is the plan. Okay, who are getting the uh, after pasting all depends on what to you have to save it. Control yes. Save it, save this file. Control yes. When you save this file, you all should get Maven dependencies. Everybody is clear with the structure? Everybody is clear with the structure? Okay, guys. So thank you, everyone. We'll catch up tomorrow. Tomorrow's plan is 7 to 9 o'clock. You'll have your project. 11 to 12:30 will be a doubt clarification session. Once after completion of your framework, only you'll get the project. Till then, you will not get the project. Okay? You'll get the link. I'll post it in the group. Okay? Once after clarification, and after I'm going to wind up your project on Wednesday. Thursday, I'm going to do you the auto IT and the revision or any concepts you want to do. We will do Thursday. Friday, Saturday will be your final mock. And next Saturday also, if you want some doubts, we will clarify. Okay, we'll continue next Monday also if you have still doubts. Okay, but your framework, we are going to start it from tomorrow. Okay, everybody's clear with the structure? Everybody understood the structure? Is it simple? Ankita, did you got it? Did you created a Maven project, Ankita? Okay, guys. Thank you. And here you have an announcement from the HR. Okay, so just hear that this thing and you can leave. Bye bye. Let's catch up tomorrow. Let's continue. Bye, everyone.